All right, let's go over the Annoyed Mammoth. Hey, right out of the notes, we have a problem. We have a tree, we have a shadow, we have a somebody, and we have a shadow. Oh, that's weird. It's Mr. K. We have the tree shadow that's given to us, and ooh, wow, look at this. 5 yards, 2 feet, 5 inches. Oh, I dig it. And then Mr. K's height is 6'4". Mr. K's shadow is 3'2". Find the tree height to the nearest foot and inch. Ho, ho, ho. Wow, this is awesome. All right, here we go. One thing I'm going to do first is I'm going to get everything on the same page. So I'm going to convert everything to inches. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to set up a proportion. I'm going to make sure everything's the same length here in a second, but I'm going to make sure I put, what should I do here? Should we put all of the heights and then all of the shadows on the bottom, since the heights are on top and the shadows are on? Oh, yeah, why not? Okay, here we go. So let's convert everything. Mr. K, 6'4". That's going to be how many inches? Let's see. We have 12 times 6 times 12 plus 4. Okay, it's going to be 76 inches. That's Mr. K's height, 76 inches. Mr. K's shadow is going to be 3'2". So 3 times 12 plus 2. 38 inches. So height to shadow. Height to shadow. So you could go Mr. K to tree, or you can go my height to my shadow. It's going to be in proportion either way. So there's lots of different ways to do this, as long as you keep the same information on the same side. So what do you mean by that? Like if you put my height and then my shadow, don't put the tree shadow up here. What are you doing? Try to keep the same thing on the same side. So right away I know the tree shadow is going to go right there. Plus I'm trying to figure out the tree's height. So there you go. I really can't mess it up now that I've lined it all up. So here we go. Ooh. I got to take u times 12. I got to take u times 36. And then it'll give me the total inches. All right, here we go. Oh, it's going to be nasty. 5 times 36 plus 2 times 12 plus 5 inches. 209 inches. All right, 209 inches for the tree's shadow. Now, why do we measure the tree shadow? Because tape measures don't go straight up in the air. So we only can measure things on the ground. And then plus, I'm not super tall in terms of tape measure. Just put it up on the wall. You can figure out how tall I am. There we go. Let's cross multiply and divide. 209 times 76 divided by, what was it again? 38. Boom. 418 inches. Holy cow. That's a lot of inches. All right. Let's go to the nearest inch. Well, we got 418, so that's kind of nice. We need to go feet and inches. All right, so again, the trick is you take 418, you divide it by 12. Well, that's not going to work. This would work. Here we go. Come on, big fingers. 34 is the feet. Subtract the 34. There's your inches. So make them inches. 10. There we go. That tree is going to be 34 feet. 10 inches. Ooh, that's a good one. So the big trick with that one, we should be pretty good with this. We should be pretty good with the proportions. My height, my shadow, tree height, tree shadow. That's not the hard part. I guess the hard part would be the conversions and then making sure you do things carefully. All right. So that's the Annoyed Mammoth. Size change problems in real life, trying to figure out the estimated height of something using your height, your shadow, and the shadow of the figure. All right, that's it.